Email remains a cornerstone of business communication. It is essential for internal and external interactions. Enterprise applications rely heavily on email for various purposes. These purposes include notifications, workflows, and information sharing. Java, a robust and versatile programming language, provides a powerful tool for managing email within applications, the JavaMail API. This API offers a comprehensive set of classes and methods to send, receive, and process emails programmatically. JavaMail simplifies email integration, making it easier for developers to enhance their applications with email functionality. By leveraging the JavaMail API, developers can create sophisticated email-enabled applications that streamline business processes and enhance user experiences. From automating notifications to building complex email-based workflows, JavaMail empowers developers to harness the power of email for a wide range of enterprise needs. The JavaMail API provides a standardized framework for interacting with email servers and messages. It offers a set of classes and interfaces that abstract the complexities of email protocols like SMTP, POP3, and IMAP. With JavaMail, developers can focus on application logic instead of low-level protocol details. Key features of the JavaMail API include sending and receiving emails, managing email attachments, handling different email formats, and ensuring secure communication. Its flexibility and extensibility make it suitable for various email-related tasks. JavaMail's modular design allows developers to choose the components they need for their specific applications. This modularity makes it easy to integrate JavaMail into existing projects or build new email-centric applications from scratch. Sending emails with JavaMail is straightforward. Developers can create email messages with rich content, including text, HTML, and attachments. The API provides methods to set email headers, recipients, subject, and body content. JavaMail uses the SMTP protocol to transmit emails to the recipient's mail server. Developers can configure JavaMail to connect to different SMTP servers and authenticate using credentials. This flexibility allows seamless integration with various email providers. The API handles the complexities of email transmission, ensuring reliable and efficient delivery of messages. Developers can track email delivery status and handle potential errors, providing a robust and reliable email sending mechanism. JavaMail API enables applications to receive and process emails from various mail servers using protocols like POP3 and IMAP. Developers can retrieve emails from specific folders, filter messages based on criteria, and extract relevant information. The API provides methods to parse email content, including headers, body text, and attachments. Developers can extract information like sender, recipient, subject, and message body. This information can be used to trigger actions or integrate with other systems. The ability to receive and process emails programmatically opens up a world of automation possibilities. Applications can automatically respond to inquiries, process orders, and manage email-based workflows, freeing up human resources for more complex tasks. Section 5. Secure email communication, safeguarding sensitive data. Security is paramount when dealing with email, especially in enterprise applications. The JavaMail API supports secure email communication through protocols like SSL and TLS. These protocols encrypt email content during transmission, protecting sensitive information from unauthorized access. Developers can configure JavaMail to use SSL or TLS when connecting to mail servers. The API handles the complexities of certificate management and encryption, ensuring secure and confidential email communication. By leveraging JavaMail's security features, developers can build applications that comply with industry standards and regulations for data protection, safeguarding user privacy and sensitive business information. Section 6. Parsing email content, extracting valuable information. Email messages often contain valuable information that can be extracted and used for various purposes. The JavaMail API provides tools for parsing email content, allowing developers to access headers, body text, and attachments. Developers can use JavaMail to extract specific information from emails, such as order numbers, customer IDs, or support ticket details. This information can be used to automate workflows, update databases, or generate reports. By parsing email content, applications can gain insights from email data and automate processes based on the information extracted. This capability streamlines business operations and enhances decision-making. Section 7. Real-world applications streamlining business processes. The JavaMail API finds widespread use in real-world enterprise applications across diverse industries. Its versatility and power make it suitable for a wide range of email-related tasks. For instance, e-commerce platforms use JavaMail to send order confirmations, shipping updates, and promotional emails to customers. Customer support systems leverage JavaMail to manage support tickets, automate responses, and track issue resolution. Financial institutions use JavaMail for secure communication with clients, sending account statements, transaction notifications, and fraud alerts. The applications of JavaMail are vast and continue to expand as businesses seek to automate and streamline their email-driven processes. Section 8. Automated notifications, keeping users informed. Automated notifications are crucial for keeping users informed about important events or updates. JavaMail API makes it easy to implement automated email notifications in enterprise applications. Applications can use JavaMail to send notifications about new messages, account changes, system updates, or task assignments. These notifications can be customized with user-specific information and delivered in various formats, including text and HTML. Automated notifications improve user engagement and ensure that users receive timely information. This enhances communication, reduces response times, and improves overall user experience. Section 9. Email-based workflows, driving efficiency and collaboration. Email-based workflows are common in many business processes. JavaMail API enables developers to create applications that automate these workflows, improving efficiency and collaboration. For example, a purchase approval workflow can be automated using JavaMail. When a purchase request is submitted, the application can send an email notification to the approver. The approver can then respond via email, triggering the next step in the workflow. Email-based workflows streamline business processes by eliminating manual intervention and ensuring timely completion of tasks. This reduces errors, improves accountability, and enhances overall productivity. Section 10. Conclusion, JavaMail API, a cornerstone of modern enterprise applications. JavaMail API is an indispensable tool for modern enterprise applications. Its comprehensive features, ease of use, and security capabilities empower developers to integrate email functionality seamlessly into their applications. From automating notifications to building complex email-based workflows, JavaMail API streamlines business processes, enhances communication, and improves user experiences. Its ability to handle secure email communication ensures the protection of sensitive data, complying with industry standards and regulations. As businesses increasingly rely on email for critical operations, JavaMail API will continue to play a pivotal role in shaping the future of enterprise applications, driving efficiency, security, and innovation.